Your Blinx Pro trial is now active, which means you have access to powerful features that can turn a basic business profile into a professional page. Setting it up is simple, so let's walk through it step by step. We'll begin with the essentials. First, make sure your core business information is complete and accurate. Add your business name, logo, address, phone number, email address, and website. These details may seem basic, but they are often the first things customers check before deciding whether to contact a business. Next, update your masthead. Your masthead is the large banner image at the top of the page, and it creates the first impression of your business. Choose a clear, high-quality image that reflects the services you offer and gives customers an immediate idea of what your business is about. Now, let's add a text block. Use this section to clearly explain what your business does, where you operate, and why customers should choose you. Keep the introduction easy to read and focus on the information customers care about most. You can also use color to highlight your most important services, but keep it balanced with your business theme so the page remains professional. For Lawn Lab, for example, we can highlight services such as lawn care, garden design, patios, fencing, decking, and garden maintenance. Next, add an image gallery. Customers are far more likely to trust a business when they can see real examples of its work. Add high-quality project images, completed jobs, and before and after photos wherever possible. Rather than simply telling customers what you do, let your work speak for itself. Now we can start adding the features that help turn visits into inquiries. Add a direct link to an important product or service page on your website. Add WhatsApp so customers can message you directly. Add click-to-call so mobile visitors can phone your business instantly. Add a contact form so people can send questions, quote requests, or service inquiries, even when you are not available. You can also add lead capture to collect customer details and follow up with people who are interested in your services. If appointments, consultations, or site visits are relevant to your business, add the Book a Call feature as well. Make the purpose of the booking clear. For example, you could invite customers to book a garden consultation, arrange a site visit, or discuss a quote. Next, connect your wider online presence. Add your website and any active social media profiles, such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, or more. Only include profiles that are current and properly maintained. Active channels can build trust, while empty or outdated profiles may have the opposite effect. Once everything has been added, preview your page. Check that your branding looks professional, your business information is accurate, and your most important services are easy to understand. Make sure your contact buttons are clearly visible, your links work correctly, and customers have several easy ways to get in touch. Your Blinx Pro page is now ready to represent your business, showcase your work, and help turn visitors into real inquiries. To share it, use the Share option. You can copy your Blinx page link and send it through WhatsApp, Messenger, email, or any other messaging platform. You can also save and share your QR code, allowing customers to scan it and open your page instantly. Keep your page updated with your latest services, contact information, and recent work. Blinx Pro, your complete business presence in one powerful page.